What are you doing?
Oh, this is great, isn't it? This is the American dream, buddy.
It ain't far for you guys before this beast. I spent the whole winter here trying to get the thing running. Scary applesauce. Are you recording me?
I am. I hope you don't mind.
Yeah, I should have worn my handsome today.
Tires are getting so old that they're just so hard that they don't want to stick to them. I'm 68. You know, it's like I feel like a young person when I used to go to a car show.
$1969 MGB. You can't drive this car without the hat.
This is the best car show we go to.
Miles on the highway, every day moving so fast, taking all the wrong ways out. Never saw you coming, stopping me in my tracks, keeping me from the long way down. Doesn't matter just how many times I tried, there could only be a single reason why. So tell me, how do miracles just happen like that, happen like that, happen like that? You can see the stars align, but I know that it's more than timing. How do miracles just happen like that, happen like that, happen like that? Right before I hit the ground, son, how you came along and found me. Right before I hit the ground, son, how you came along and found me. Some will say it's magic, but I know that you did all that. You're the reason, there's no doubt. Doesn't matter just how many times I tried, there could only be a single reason why. So tell me, how do miracles just happen like that, happen like that, happen like that? You can see the stars align, but I know that it's more than timing. How do miracles just happen like that, happen like that, happen like that? Right before I hit the ground, son, how you came along and found me. Right before I hit the ground, son, how you came along and found me.
Welcome to the car shack.
There's no doubt when I feel your love, call me crazy and out of touch, but I know that it's from above. Tell me, more than timing. I don't hear it goes, just happen like that, happen like that, happen like that. Right before I hit the ground zone, how you came along and found me. You can see the stars align, but I know that it's more than timing. Right before I hit the ground zone, how you came along and found me.
This is a story about a father and a son. I wanted to get him a new car, but not a new car, but a car. And a friend of mine told me about this car for sale. So I took him out to it. He wasn't really into cars at the time.
I loved old cars.
We went out and saw the car, and he wanted it. So I ended up buying it for him on the stipulation that we would do it together. I never got the chance to do it with my dad because he passed away. My stepdad, he passed away of cancer, and that's what we were supposed to do together. Well, this time I get a chance to do it with my son.
Perfect.
But by the time he's 16, then he can drive it. When he turns 18, we're going to put a different engine in it, and that way he has something that's going to last him, and then he can hold on to it. He's 13. He just turned 13 today.
It's his birthday.
Today's his birthday. For his birthday, he wanted this car to be here at the car show. So Dad was working, and we're working the last 2 weeks, getting everything running and ready to come here today.
Yeah, and then one problem shows up when we park.
Yeah, we parked, we pulled in, the heater core went. So it's been sitting in the garage since '96, so it hasn't been on the road since '96. This was a maiden voyage from Rieberberg to here. So we got it here, and it had its first hiccup.
Well, I wanted to be at a car show with my car. It means a lot to me.
He loves working on cars now. That's all he wants to do.
I just can't believe where my life was at. All that I know is my heart was broken. I don't ever want to go back. Ain't no explanation how I saw the light. He found me and he set me free, and he brought me back to life. Blame it on the transformation, change down to the core. This love is real and I can't sit still, 'cause my name's not shame no more, more. Great God Almighty, don't change us. Great God Almighty, don't change us. You gotta shake, shake, shake. Like you change, change, change. Brand new look so good on you. So shake like you've been changed. Come on and shake, shake like you changed. Shake like you changed. Maybe he came to you when everything seemed fine. Or maybe your world was upside down and hit you right between the eye. No matter when it happened, at 7 or 95, move your feet 'cause you are free and never been more alive. You gotta shake, shake, shake like your change, change, change. Brand new look so good on you, so shake like you've been changed. Come on, shake, shake, shake like your change, change, change. Brand new look so good on you, so shake like you've been changed. Come on, shake, shake like you changed. Shake like you changed. Shake, shake. Great God Almighty done change me. Great God Almighty, He done change me.
Can't get away from all this. I love it.